Oh man, been in South Padre for a week. First time back on the bike. Oh, Evelyn, it's gonna be like we brand new again. Oh man, let's go. Oh no. Talk about overkill to jump a motorcycle, right? Let's just hook the Cummins onto it and see what happens, huh? Oh man. So here we are, the afternoon, after we discovered Evelyn dead as a doornail this morning. So it's crazy because years ago I installed this little dongle here, this little quick disconnect, and you can like put all sorts of different things on this, like everything from USB connectors to just all sorts of things. What I've always used it for is a solar cell, like a solar float charger, where it's like a little solar panel, and I never use it, and of all the times I should have used that stupid thing, it was last week where I went on a week-long vacation down to South Padre. But I didn't even think twice about it, guys. Like it never even occurred to me to put this thing on float. And you know, every now and again she's kind of slow to crank, just at random, but she always turns over fine. Let's see, what is this? It's gonna be, look at that. Can you tell I've done this once or twice before? First shot, bam! Yep, it never occurred to me to put this thing on float. The wife had to run someplace, so she's gonna be gone for a little while, and the little ones are inside watching TV. I was like, well, I'm gonna jump this thing off, might as well make a vlog about it. I mean, why not? Anyways, one thing about this battery though, guys, so I've owned Evelyn for 5 years now, and maybe a year into ownership, I had to replace the battery. And so this very well may be only the second battery this bike has ever seen. I really don't know. But this battery has lasted since my Louisiana days. So that's been crap, guys. I think this battery's been in this bike for almost 4 years. It's pretty impressive. I had gotten it from Batteries Plus Bulbs, which, you know, they always have really good stuff and really good deals too. You know, if you go there, they've always got a 10% off coupon code, like if you place your order online. This is like really tight. Again, impromptu vlog. I don't even have my wits about myself right now. I'm just like, hey, I should record this. Why not? Isn't that what YouTubers are supposed to do? Just, here, live my experience with me. Experience my misfortunes. Son of a... There we go. Golly. Look at the crud, man. She's just full of smuts, ain't she? But anyways, I don't know that I'm actually going to replace the battery. I'm going to wait and see. I'm going to wait and see how it acts, because I really don't think it's, well, who am I kidding, guys? I probably need a new battery. I don't know. Right, there we go. I'm gonna got it parked kind of towards the back here so we get some good extension on the position of the solar panel. There we go. That'll do it, guys. Alright, so we come back in the morning and see if she cranks. Until then, goodbye. Oh man, good morning, Evelyn. Oh, good morning, you guys. Tuesday. I don't know why I'm strapping up and everything else, man. It'd be a shame if this was all for nothing. Moment of truth, boys and girls. Are we gonna need to buy a new battery? I'd like to think not. But if she didn't hold a charge, moment of truth. Oh, wow. Dicks.